students and friends. Nowadays, when we sit before our televisions and try to watch something on the television or want to hear the news, only the main news is coronavirus nowadays. To understand the media, you must also watch my all videos to learn proper English. But today we will discuss here the coronavirus so that you may understand the national and international media easily. COVID-19 or coronavirus disease 2019 is a respiratory illness caused by a coronavirus SARS-CoV-2. The effect of the illness can range from mild to severe. First identified in Wuhan, China in late 2019. Wuhan, China, 2019. China, and then this pandemic spread quickly to other countries. On March 11, 2020, COVID-19 was declared a pandemic by the World Health Organization. As COVID-19 spread through the world, many religious people are asking if God sent this disease as a punishment for sins. Some have said God definitely is punishing the world because of various recent events. Others contended that God would never punish people with the plague or pandemic, and so it is obvious that this disease is not a divine punishment. The truth is that we can find a solution somewhere in the middle. The holy books record God punishing people in the life of their actions through natural diseases, disaster. God rained fire and brimstones upon previous nations because of their inhabitant depravity, and he sent venomous snakes to afflict Israel when they became impatient and spoke against God in the desert. Some of these punishments include sending disease to afflict people, such as the plague upon Egypt and a plague upon Israel. So, we leave this discussion here because it is not our theme today. Our theme today is to discuss the situation of Pakistan leading to the coronavirus. The COVID-19 pandemic was confirmed to have reached Pakistan on 26 February 2020 when a student in Karachi tested positive upon returning from Iran. By 18 March, cases had been registered in all over the province. The two autonomous territories and the federal territory of Islamabad and all provinces of Pakistan. As of 11th May 2020, there have been over 34,300 confirmed cases with 8,812 recoveries and 737 deaths in the country. Punjab has recovered the most cases at over 13,200, while Khyber Pakhtunkhwa has reported the most deaths in the country. A total of 255. The country has been put under a nationwide lockdown until 9th May, which was initiated on 1st April and later extended twice. On 7th May, PM Imran Khan Sahab announced to ease lockdown phase-wise from 9th May 2020. According to a report by the federal government, Pakistan could have expected 50,000 cases of the disease by 25th April. However, the number by then remained under 13,000, less than half of what has expected. A Tablighi Jamaat religious congregation which took place in Lahore in early March 2020 became a coronavirus super spreader, accounting for 27% of cases in the country. By late April, Pakistan started vaccine trials in collaboration with Chinese pharmaceutical company, but there is no proper success up till now. Now the conclusion is that the lesson we learned from the coronavirus is we should care the coronavirus patient's life is in hand of those people who are carrying him in his treating place. The hospitalized patients are unfortunately being isolated, briefly visited by the trained nursing staff and doctors, donned with goggles, glasses, and gowns, obscuring that human connection, leaving them fearful and alone, likely decreasing their chances of survival. The answer to these problems may lie with the healthcare campaign, a concept we have been working on in Chinese Trail, a non-profit organization dedicated to diabetes care. A healthcare companion is an able family member or community member close to the patient that serves as a link between the patient and professional healthcare provider. The healthcare companies fulfill the important gap of ensuring the medical prescription are conveyed and acted upon, but supports the patient in a personal way through the process. Why not have patient hospitalized with COVID-19 accompanied by one youthful able family member for community member who can serve as a personal care assistant to the patient. The healthcare companion can provide support to the patient for the duration of hospitalization, encouraging them to breathe deeply in the prone position, encouraging oral fluid intake, help them swallow oral medicines. So there is a need of much care of our patients either in hospitals or at home. We should not fear or afraid from this, and we should not isolate completely our dear kins and kids due to their illness. Should care each other. It is the will of God and teaching of our religious. Thank you very much.
इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर बेल आइकन जरूर प्रेस करें हमारी न्यू वीडियो